Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. If you are new to this channel, and if you are, please consider subscribing. I will appreciate it. Thank you very much indeed for stopping by. Thank you very much indeed for clicking. I want to show you what we got here. We got this printer. This is Epson Workforce 2830 DWF. This printer is multifunctional printer. It's multitask, 4-in-1, in the sense you can copy, scan, print and fax with this printer. This printer, in terms of the printing speed, 10.0 print for black and 5.0 print for color. 10.0 print per minute for black and 5.0 print per minute for color. And can print two-sided. In terms of the two-sided print, is 6.0 print for black and 4.0 for color. Scan resolution 1200 dpi by 2400, and print resolution 5760 by 1440. This printer is using ink cartridges 603 or 603 extra large. This printer deserves your attention. What we're going to do is unbox this printer, check it out, see what is inside. This printer is dual band. You can connect it to Wi-Fi network, Wi-Fi direct, and also with USB cable connection. You need to connect this printer using your mobile device by selecting Epson Smart Panel. So we're going to open this up, okay, and check it out. This is the power cable. And this is the ink cartridges here. Ink cartridges. This printer, plug it on here, and this is the rear paper tray. Okay, so this printer is using rear paper tray, and if you have any paper jam, this is where to check for any paper jam and debris and gently remove it. Okay, so it's using rear paper tray. So we're just gonna put this back. Okay, so load particular paper you want, A4 paper, so you can load various sizes of paper at the back here. So it's using rear paper tray, and also this is ADF, automatic document feeder. Okay, and this is the scanner, flat bell scanner. I'm going to plug this on, and the USB cable goes in here. USB cable is not included in the package, it goes in here. And this printer, this is the front panel. Okay. Hey guys, this is Epson Workforce 2830 DWF. I'm going to show you how to replace the ink. Okay, and to replace the ink, you select OK. Now open up the printer, okay, and remove the ink cartridges. Okay, and we have compatible ink cartridges. Here we want to replace. So open it up. So you start with 603 black. So this ink is extra large. Okay, so this is 603 extra large. Okay, now what you need to do, remove the air vent for this. Then you go in, select black. Okay, you can see BK is recognized. Now the next is yellow. Okay, yellow, open it up, remove the air vent, go in with yellow, and yellow is recognized. The next is magenta. Open it up, pull off the air vent, go in. The last but not the least is magenta. Open it up, pull it off, then go in. Okay, and now remove these old ones. Next to do is close it. Okay, and select start. Now it's checking the ink cartridges. Okay, now it's telling us non-genuine ink detected. Okay, select OK. Now it's asking you, do you wish to continue using this ink? Yes or no. Use up and down arrow to select. Use up arrow, select yes. Okay, here we go. So this is how to install the ink. Okay, if you're happy with this process, do consider to subscribe. This is how to install the ink. Now you're able to do so many other things with this printer. Okay, so this is how to install the ink. I also want to show you, if you want to remove this ink, okay, what you need to do is to install this. So to remove the ink, what you need to do, use the side arrow again. Okay, go to the settings, select OK. Now the next is you see supply status, select OK. Okay, the next is ink level, select OK. Now then when you see the ink level, scroll down to replace now, select OK. Okay, now then select start. Okay, then open up the printer. Open up the printer and the ink cartridge holder will come to the center, okay, for you to replace it. So this is how to install and replace the ink. So you remove the ink. You see, so this is how to remove and install it. Then close it, select OK. Now you can see, select start. Now it's going to check and it will tell you that ink cartridges is not available. Okay, you can see ink cartridges are installed incorrectly. So open up the printer. Okay, select OK to proceed. Okay, here we go. So the ink holder will come right in here for you to change it. Okay, the same procedure. Just want to do this so that you can understand. So this is 603 extra large black. Go in, push it down, and once you install it, it will show that BK is installed. Then the next on the list is yellow. Go in, push it down. Okay, the next on the list is magenta. 603 extra large is what we are using. Push it inside. Okay, and 603 cyan, the last but not the least, push it inside. Okay, and it's recognize it. Okay, then the next you do is select okay start button and close the printer. We have this ink at Vinet Tech Store, free delivery here in UK. Okay, so now what it's doing now is checking the ink, and it told us non-genuine ink is detected. Okay, select OK. You don't have to use the original. Select OK to proceed. Now it asks you, do you wish to continue using this ink? Yes or no. Use up arrow to select yes and select OK. Okay, now so this is how to then you go back, okay, to the home page, okay, for you to be able to copy, scan, and do other things. Now what I want to show you is also, I want us to put this printer in a default mode so that we can set this printer up. Use the side arrow again. Okay, go to the settings. Okay, scroll down, maintenance, side printer setup, select OK. Okay, then you can load the paper. After that, sound, quiet mode, power off setting, date and time setting, country and region, language. Okay, then you use arrow again, can go back. Okay, use the side arrow to the settings, select OK. Maintenance, printer setup, network setting, can see contact manager, printer status sheet, printer counter, restore default setting, select OK. Okay, network setting, restore network default setting, select OK. Okay, default setting restore, select OK. Okay, so this is how to install the ink and also how to restore network default setting. Okay, if you're happy with this, I would appreciate it if you consider to subscribe. Okay, now the other thing I want to show you is go back to the home page, use side arrow. Okay, you can see scan, copy and fax. Can put this printer to quiet mode by using side arrow. So if you select quiet mode, then you select enter for you to select the function you want. Use the side arrow again, you go to the settings, can see supplier status, then you select on supplier status, it will show you the ink. Okay, after supplier status you can see the maintenance. After maintenance, the next is the printer setup. Okay, if you select printer setup, then you load the paper. After that, you select the sound and quiet mode, power off setting, time and date settings, country and region, okay, language, okay, and keyboard, sleep time, auto errors solver, ink drying time, PC connection via USB cable. So in case if you want to connect this printer with USB cable, so you can do this. Okay, then if you finish, then you press back, go back to home page. Okay, so check out my next video how to connect this printer to Wi-Fi network. Thank you very much indeed and stay blessed. So this is how to install the ink and also remove the ink. The ink we use with this printer is 603 extra large. Okay, and this one is non-genuine one, so you don't, if you don't have the genuine one, you can get this from Amazon. Okay, we have this at Vinetech store, free delivery here. So, and this ink is installed here. Okay, thank you and stay blessed. Please like, share and subscribe. Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. This is Epson Workforce WF2830DWF. This printer is multifunctional printer, multitask, 4-in-1, in the sense you can copy, scan, print and fax with this printer. This printer is with two-sided printing option. It's also with ADF, automatic document feeder. You can connect this printer to Wi-Fi network, Wi-Fi direct, or with USB cable connection. This printer is with LCD screen. Okay, now what I want to show you is how to connect this printer to Wi-Fi network is what we are going to do. And to connect this printer to Wi-Fi network, you need to go to your mobile device. We want to do this using a mobile device. Okay, go to your Play Store. So once you go to your Play Store, type Epson Smart Panel, Epson Smart Panel, and this Epson Smart Panel, download it on your mobile device. Once you download it, click it open. Okay, and it's going to open up. Okay, and this Epson Smart Panel, click next. Do you want to share your smartphone? Click next. Now it's going to search, allow Epson panel to access device location. Click only this time, or why only this time. Okay, and what it's doing now is it starts to search available device. So it's going to search for this printer. So while it's searching for this printer, I give it time to search for this printer. Okay, so what it's doing now is searching for this printer. if it's okay, you can see no product is found. Okay, now what connect with Wi-Fi, you can go back or connect with Wi-Fi direct. Then what you do, you can also go back, okay, and go back to the home screen. Okay, now what you need to do is you need to select plus. Okay, you can see on top, select plus. Now it's going to ask you, will you like to check if the product is supported? No, because we know that this product is Wi-Fi product. Okay, so now what you need to do is, okay, what you need to do, you need to select set up a new product. Select set up a new product, and it's going to search for available printer. Thank you for choosing Epson product. Click continue. Okay, now it's asking us turn on Bluetooth on. Click turn on. Okay, so Bluetooth is switched on. Make sure the product is turned on. If USB cable is connected to the product, disconnect it and turn on again. Click next. So what it's doing now is searching for the product. Now it's telling us search for product. Could you not find the product? Is the product switched on? Click yes. Okay, move the smartphone close to the product so that it can communicate. Click continue. So it's going to search for this product. If we can't find it, then we need to connect this printer from the printer. Okay, and the searching cannot find the product. Okay, go to website and enter product name, follow the instruction. Now what we need to do is we need to use up and down arrow. Okay, use up and down arrow and go to Wi-Fi network. So go to Wi-Fi setup, select OK. Okay, Wi-Fi setup recommended, select OK. Okay, now you can print wireless from computer and Wi-Fi device via Wi-Fi. Click OK. Okay, so now search again to see if we can find this product. Here we go, we are searching. Now what is asking us, we need to type the product. This product is Workforce. Okay, 2830. Okay, Workforce 2830. Select search. Now what it's telling us is follow the step below, okay, to find the printer. So we'll go to select Wi-Fi setup, select OK. Okay, now it's searching for SSID. Okay, and it pick up the network. Select OK. Okay, now what we need to do is we need to put the password. I have the information for the password here. So what I'm going to do now is to put the information here. So by selecting the, okay, so I'm going to put the password. Okay, so to put your password, you use the keyboard key showing on the printer for to put the password. Is what I'm going to do now. So once I put the password, then the next is to show we check the printer. Okay, Now once you put the password finish, okay, scroll down and select OK. Scroll down to select OK. Okay, and what it's doing now is checking setting up. Okay, what it's doing now is setting up, is what it's showing. You see, setup complete. Print report. Okay, so if you want to print report, what you need to do is to print report to show you that this printer is connected to Wi-Fi network. You load the paper tray. Want us to load the paper, for instance, then print report. Okay, so now it's asking us about fireware is released, update fireware, click OK. So now can you register to Epson? Yes or no? You can register Epson Connect from Epson Connect service menu. Remind me later. Okay, now okay, setup complete, print report is what I want to do. Yes, so it's going to print report to show you that this printer is connected to network. There we go. Okay, now what I want to show you is this is the report you printed out, and if you look here, it will show you that everything is passed. Okay, network checking, network connection is passed, everything is passed. Okay, so this is how to connect this printer to Wi-Fi network, and you can see everything is here from network is working correctly, and you can see pass. Now what I want to then the next we need to do is we need to go to the mobile device again, select add a printer. Okay, select add. Now the next you need to do, you need to wait. No, Okay, connect a product already on the Wi-Fi is the next we need to select a product already on the Wi-Fi, and it will start to look for this printer. So it's going to search for this printer now. Here we go. So it found it, WF2830. Select on it. Here we connection is complete. Click OK. And this printer is here. Okay, can see it. WF2830 series printer is ready. Okay, so this is how to connect this printer to Wi-Fi network. So you can do so many things you want to do with this printer now. Okay, if you're happy with this process, please do consider to subscribe. It helps the channel. This is how to connect this printer to Wi-Fi network. Okay, thank you and stay blessed. Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. This is Epson Workforce WF2830DW. I want to show you how to load paper and also complete alignment here. To load the paper, what we have here is A4 paper. Okay, so you turn this printer around, it can load various sizes of paper. Okay, so to load your paper, just need to go in and adjust it. So this A4 paper is what we loaded here. Okay, and then turn this printer around. Turn the printer around and select confirm previous setting. A4 plain paper, confirm, select OK. Okay, now to complete alignment head for this printer, we need to go to the settings, use the side arrow to go to settings, go to maintenance. Okay, can see, go to the settings, select OK. Now the next you will see supply status. Scroll down to maintenance, select OK. Can see the next you see nozzle check. Scroll down to OK. Go back again. So this is nozzle check. Okay, and you can see now it's asking us, are there any missing segment? Okay, select yes. Okay, so are there missing segment? You can see when you look at it, select yes. Okay, okay, clean print head, select yes. Okay, clean print head to correct missing dot, click start. So what it's doing now is clean print head. This cleaning, do not turn the power off. It will take about 3 minutes to clean print head. Okay, cleaning complete. If the nozzle is not clogged, check nozzle or select finish, select OK. Okay, so now this is how to do nozzle check. If you select, use the side arrow again, cleaning head, print head alignment, select OK. Okay, select OK, vertical alignment, select OK, and load A4 paper and select print. So now it's going to print head alignment. Okay, here we go. Now I can see this is now select OK to proceed. Now the next is select the number. Okay, number 1, check the number and select the one that is not clear. Okay, so use up and down arrow to select the number. So number 1, I selected number 5 for number 1, select OK. Then proceed to number 2. I will select number 7, use up arrow or down arrow to select key the number and select OK. Then number 3, okay, I will select number 4, use up and down arrow to select the number, select OK. Then it progress to number 4, okay, use up and down arrow again to select the number 5, select OK. Now I take us to number 5. So number 5, I will select number 7 for it, select OK. Now number 6, when you look on the image, you see the one that is not quite clearer. Okay, so use the arrow number 7, select OK. Now the last but not least, number 7, I will select number 6 for it, select OK. Now alignment complete, change are reflected from the settings. Okay, so this is how to do this. If you're happy with it, please do consider to subscribe. The other thing is you can see print alignment, then you can also select OK, then select the vertical one, select OK again, you click OK. So you're going to print the vertical. Okay, okay, and here we go. Choose rectangle that are not separated, overlap. So when you look at it, okay, so I will select OK to proceed and select the number. I will select number 7, select OK. Alignment complete, changes are reflected from the next printing, click OK. So this is how to complete alignment head, vertical one or horizontal, and also clean nozzle head cleaning, and also load the paper. If you're happy with this process, please do consider to subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you very much indeed. And once you're done, then you go back to the home page, okay, for you to copy, scan, and print, and do so many things. Thank you and stay blessed. Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. This is Epson Workforce WF2830. WF2830. This printer is multifunctional printer. It's multitask, 4-in-1, in the sense you can copy, scan, print, and fax with this printer. This printer now is connected to Wi-Fi network. This printer is dual band. You can connect it to Wi-Fi network, Wi-Fi direct, or with USB cable connection. Now if you check my video, you see how we loaded the paper. What you have here is A4 paper. We also complete alignment head, also clean nozzle head. What I want to show you is how to scan document with this printer is what we're going to do. To scan your document, okay, what you need to do, you need to select the document you want to scan, for instance. Okay, so you can put any document you want to scan on the scanner. Okay, so this is the document I want us to scan. And to scan this document, open up the scanner is what you need to do. Okay, stick the document you want to scan on top of the scanner and close it. Now go to the Epson smart panel, and this is this printer, and it's showing us printer is ready. Okay, so now to scan your document, you need to use side arrow to select scan function. Okay, so now this is the scan function. Now select more setting. Okay, when you select the scan function, select document source as glass scanner. Okay, document size is A4 paper. If there is any other document you have, then you select from the list below. So you can scan A5, A6, A8, B5, B6, letter and business card. So what we selected is A4 paper. Okay, then we go back. Then after that, the next is image type. Select image type. What we selected is color. You can select grayscale or black and white. Okay, so we selected color for it. Now the next on the list is resolution. Select on the resolution. The low resolution is 200 dpi, standard is 300 dpi, and high resolution is 600 dpi. I selected standard resolution, which is 300 dpi. Okay, now go back again. The next is automatic rotation. You can select automatic rotation, can have it, leave it on or off. Okay, now image format, select image format. Image format is usually, if it's photo, then you select JPEG, JPEG. Okay, but this is PDF, so we selected PDF. So if you change your mind from PDF, want to select JPEG, then you need to select JPEG and it will change to JPEG. So leave it on PDF, then select start, and this document now is scanning. Here we go. So it's scanning. And it's very smooth. Here we go. So this is the document we scan. You can see the first one. If you want to scan the second one, open up the scanner, okay, and remove this, okay, and stick another one you want to scan on top of it. Close it. Okay, now the next you need to do is from the app, click scan, add scan. You see add scan option, click add scan, and it will start to scan the second page. Okay, so you can see the document will scan first and second one. Okay, this is the first one, this is the second one. Okay, now the next is click next. Okay, you can save this document, you can print it out, you can share this document. Okay, to share this document to somebody, select share button at the, okay, you can see share button, select share button. Okay, and this document now, you share this via email, okay, or print it out. So select the email address of the person you want to send this document to, okay, and it's going to attach in my inbox. This document now is attached to my inbox. Now I'm going to send this to my cell, so I'm going to put back to my email, so put the email address of the person you want to send this to, okay, type the subject, hi, okay, so type the subject, hi, then type the message, hello, okay, Once you've done that, hello, then the next is click send. Okay, so this document now is sent. Now it's asking us go back to home screen, yes or no. No. Okay, because we still want. Now the next I want to show you is to save this document. You click save. This document now, the file is saved. Okay, so now I can see this file is saved. Document was scanned is saved on my phone. Now go back to home page. No. Now the other thing I want us to do is to print this document out. To print it out, select share again. Okay, and once you select share, then you need to go and look for Epson Smart Panel. Select Epson Smart Panel, and this document now is attached into Epson Smart Print document. You can see the document first and second one. Okay, the next you need to select is select print. Once you select print, it gives you option printer WF2830 and printing range. Okay, select printing range all. Can select start from page 1 or end in page 2. So you can select specific one. Now we selected start print all. Okay, then the next is paper size. So you can select various sizes of paper. You can select 4x6, 5x7, 8x10, 16.9 wide. A4 is selected. A5, A6, legal, letter, B5, B6, 3.5 by 5 inches, postcard, envelope, envelope C, envelope D, 11, 5 by 8, 5 by 8 by 5 by 13 inches, 16K. Okay, and Indian legal. So you can select various sizes of paper. Okay, as far as you loaded particular paper here. Okay, now what you selected is A4 paper. Then you go back. Now the other thing I want us to print. Media type, select media type is plain paper. Okay, if it's envelope, then you select. If it's photo, glossy photo paper, then you select on it. What you selected is plain paper, A4. Okay, then go back. Then the next on the list is layout. Okay, you can select borders, 2 up or 4 up from the left, 4 up from the top. Okay, so you can see borders. Okay, now the other type is. The next is print quality. You can select high standard or standard. At the moment it's in standard. Okay, then go back. So these are the feature things you need to select. Okay, then after that, the next is paper source. You select real paper. Okay, this printer only got real paper. Okay, then you go back. Now document type, color. If you want it black and white, then you need to change it to B and W, which is black and white. At the moment it's in colored. Then you go back again. Now print two-sided. Okay, so if you want print two-sided off, then you print this document only 1 page each. Okay, if you want to print it two-sided, then you select print two-sided long edge. So now you select how many copies, so you can increase and decrease how many copies you want. Okay, once you've done this, select start. So this document is going to print out, okay, 1 page double-sided. Here we go. So it's printing. Now it's going back inside. Okay, so we selected this document to print its color. Okay, now you select again, select print. Okay, change the color to black and white, be black and white. Okay, and this document now is changed to black and white. Instead of printing it double-sided, okay, select to print it double-sided off, select print. So this document is going to print black and white, okay, and one page each instead of double-sided. Okay, this one we printed it double-sided. Okay, now the one is going to print black and white. You can see black and white, single page. Here we go. This is the second one. So this is how to scan your document, print it out black and white, and also print it out color, double-sided. If you're happy. Now, before we wrap up, if you go back to my inbox to check for this document, go inside my inbox and look for this document, okay, and note to self, the document is inside my inbox. Click it open. Okay, this is the document. Then open it up, allow. So this is the document inside my inbox. The document will scan. This is the first one and second one. So this is how to scan your document, print it out double-sided, colored, and also print it out single page. If you're happy with this process, please do consider to subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed. Thank you. Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. If you are new to this channel, and if you are, please consider subscribing. I will appreciate it. Thank you very much. I received this question. Someone asked how to print a document from your Android phone or from your phone to Epson printer. Is what I'm going to show you. The rules here is you need to make sure that the printer and your phone both connected to the same network. Okay, so you need to make sure your printer and the mobile device are connected to the same network. And to print your document, then so you got two options to do this. Okay, the first one is for you to select the document and look for the printer to print it out. The second one is for you to go into Epson Smart Panel app to print it out. Okay, so what we need to do is, first of all, we need to look for the document, go to the files. Okay, go to your file on your phone and select documents. Okay, once you select the document, open the document up. Okay, so this document inside my file on my mobile device. Now to print this document out, select, you will see three dots at the end, select on it. Okay, once you select the three dots, then you will see page sorter, page view, full screen, add to, tag, save as a file, print, select print. Okay, and can see now what you need to do is we need to select, use the down arrow and look for this printer, and this printer available is Epson Workforce WF2830 series. Select on it and you wait for the printer to show up, and this printer is showing up yellow now. Okay, now the other thing you can do is use the side down arrow to select function you want. Okay, use the down arrow. Okay, selecting the down arrow, how many copies? Okay, how many copies? Is one, color. Use the down arrow again to select black and white. Okay, double-sided, select double-sided, long edge, and document type is plain paper. Orientation, so use this. Document type is page size A4, plain paper. Orientation is portrait. You can select landscape as well. Now page range, all page. If you want to print only one page, then you select print only one page. Okay, once you select all this feature, the next you need to do is select the printer, and this document now is going to print out. Here we go. So you can see it's printing. Remember, we selected double-sided, so it's going back in to do this automatically. Okay, so this is the document we printed out double-sided. You can see the document we printed out double-sided. Now, another way to do this, okay, we go up from here, then go to Epson Smart Panel. Make sure you download Epson Smart Panel. This is another way to do this. Okay, go to Epson Smart Panel. This is Epson Smart Panel. So go back to the home page. So on the Epson Smart Panel homepage, okay, what you need to do is scroll side, okay, you can see print photo, side again, print document, okay. Now the next you need to do is select print document, select on it, okay, communication error with printer, click OK. So you need to make sure, make sure the printer is, can see communication error, so the printer is not showing up, okay. So what we need to do is we need to make sure that this printer, go to the panel again, okay, click next. Okay, click next. Click one time. So we need to add this printer again. Okay, no. So select, connect the printer already on the Wi-Fi. Select on it. So for us to look for, here we go. The printer is available. Select on it again. Connection is connected. Okay, complete. Click OK. So now this printer is ready. So what you need to do, scroll side again and select print document. Here we go. So now we need to select the document we want to print from the file. Okay, go to the file PDF, and this is the document we have here, this first and second one. Okay, now select print. Once you select print, you choose print reg. Paper is A4, mode plain paper, layout is border, print quality standard, paper source is real paper, then color, change it from black and white to colored, double-sided. You can print double-sided, okay, or print it single page. If you want to print it single page, we leave it in single page now. Okay, select how many copies, then select print. So this document now is going to print out single page. Okay, so now this is the second way, another way to do this. So this document is printing out. Okay, you can see the reason this document, you can see the color. I'm using non-genuine ink cartridges. This is why it's like this. Okay, but you can see we printed this. Okay, single page colored. Okay, single page colored. This is the second page. Here we go. So this is the document was printed out. Okay, single page each, colored. Now if you want to print this document black, select print again. Okay, change the color to black and white, and also change the printing to long edge. Okay, so we're going to print it double-sided. So you're going to save paper, select print. So it's going to be double-sided instead of two-pages document. So we're going to print this one double-sided. So it's going back inside. Here we go. So this is a document we printed out, black and white, double-sided. Okay, so this is how to print your document in two ways: using your mobile phone from Epson Smart Panel, or selecting the document then and add this printer. Okay, if you're happy with this process, please do consider to subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed. Thank you. Hey guys, I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. This is Epson Workforce 2830. This printer is multifunctional printer. It's multitask, 4-in-1, in the sense you can copy, scan, and print and fax with this printer. This printer now is connected to my office Wi-Fi network. If you check my video, you see how we connected this printer to Wi-Fi network. We also load paper and clean alignment head and complete alignment head with this printer. We also scan document. Check series of video we have done. I want to show you now how to copy document with this printer. To copy your document, you need to select the document you want to copy. Okay, and this is the document you want to copy. Open up the scanner, stick the document you want to copy, okay, on top of the scanner, close it. Now go to your printer menu. Okay, so go to the home page. This is the home page. Now the next is select copy, click OK. Once you select copy, now use up and down arrow to select. Okay, use side arrow to select copy color or copy black. So use the side arrow to select specific color. Okay, we want to copy this color and select OK. Now then use the side arrow again to select for you to density. Okay, click OK. Then use also the side down arrow to select double-sided. Select OK. Okay, select again color double-sided. Select OK. Use the down arrow again for you to select the density. Select OK. Then start copy. So this document now is copying one page. Okay, okay, so we copy this document color. Okay, just to recap what you have done. Okay, so if you want to go back to the home page, use the home page. This is the home page. Okay, to copy your document, select copy, click OK. Now use side arrow to select if you want to copy black or white. Okay, if you want to copy black and white or color, use the side arrow to select what you want. Okay, so we want to copy this black and white. Select OK. Now use the down arrow to select the settings. Use down arrow. Okay, now the next is for you to select. Use up and down arrow to select double-sided. Okay, standard. Okay, use down arrow again, density. Okay, select OK. So use down arrow. Okay, select OK for double-sided. Okay, use down side arrow to color. Select OK. Use down arrow. Okay, the next is down again to density. Paper setting A4, actual size, custom size A4. Select OK. Okay, use down arrow again. You can select ID, quality, density, double-sided. Use the side arrow to select. Okay, once you in double sided, use the side arrow to select one to one side, or use the down arrow again to select double sided. Select OK. Okay, and also portrait. Select OK. Okay, select OK. Now click OK. So we're going to print this, copy this double sided. Click OK. Now select copy. So this document, select copy again, is going to copy double sided. Now, the next is open up the scanner, okay, and turn the other document side, okay, turn it upside down and select start. So it's going to copy the second page. Okay, so this is the document. Okay, we copied it again, double-sided in color. Now I want to copy this, okay, black single page instead of double-sided. And to do this, okay, go to home page, select copy, click OK. Now use the side arrow to select black and white, select OK. Now use the down arrow, okay, to select. Once you use the down arrow, select two-sided or one-sided, select OK. Okay, use the down arrow to select double-sided, black and white, click OK. Use down arrow to select. Use the down arrow to select OK. Okay. Now use the down arrow. Once you use the down arrow, then use the side arrow to select double-sided. So if you select down arrow, use the side arrow to select, to change it. So use the down arrow to select double-sided. Use the side arrow to select one to one-sided or two to one-sided. So one to select one to one-sided. Go up and change to one to one-sided. Click OK. Okay. So now this is changed to one-sided. Okay. Select OK. Now select print. So this document now is going to print black and white, one to one-sided. Here we go. You can see one to one-sided. We printed only one side. But if you want to print black and white two-sided, then you need to change the document. So now I go to home page again, select copy. Okay, use the side arrow to select black and white or color. Okay, so want to copy this black and white, use the side arrow to select black and white or color. And once you select black and white, select OK. Then use down arrow to select double-sided or two-sided. Once you use down arrow, then needs to select side arrow again, change it down to double-sided and select OK. So this document now, and also select orientation is portrait, select OK, and left edge OK. Now select OK. Okay, now the next is print. Okay, select copy using copy. Okay, so we're going to copy this double-sided, okay, black and white. Now the next is open up the printer. Okay, turn the document upside down. Okay, turn it upside down, close it, and select. Okay, press start to copy the second page. So this is how to copy a document with this printer, double-sided, black and white and color. Now, to do the same thing, then you can go back to the home page. To do the same thing with a mobile device, to the Epson Smart Panel. Okay, so you can select copy, okay, document from the panel here. Okay, so this scan, this is copy. Okay, go to the settings. Okay, showing us communication error. So you need to make sure the printer is on. If you have communication error, what you need to do is select plus. Okay, click next. So sometimes the network will go off if you are not using it. Okay, so select next. So this is how to sort this out. Click once. So now the next is we need to connect. No, so connect product already on the Wi-Fi. Select on it and it will look for this product. Here we go. So you find it, select on it. Here we go, connection is complete. Click OK. So now I can go back and the printer is ready. Select on it, printer is ready. Okay, now go back to the main menu. Look for copy. This is the copy. Okay, select how many copies you want to copy the document, 1 or 2. Select the number. Okay, now go to the more settings. This is more settings. Now the next is select document in color or black and white. The density, you select the density, actual size, paper source. Okay, paper source is real 3, paper size is A4, media type is plain, document type text and image, print quality standard. Okay, now the next is if you want to clear all settings, then you select clear all settings. Okay, if you clear all settings, then all the information you clear, it will start afresh. Okay, so the next you need to do is select print, and this document now is printing. You can see this is the document we copied, colored. Okay, and just need to, and it's ready. Now if you want to copy this black and white, select black and white. Okay, density. Now actual size. Okay, you can select actual size 100% or auto fit. Then you go back. Paper source is real paper. Okay, media type is plain paper. You can select any other paper you want. Okay, then after that, document type, text and image. Okay, now print quality is standard or high. Okay, now this is the option we got here. okay? But if you are using this printer, then you can select two-sided from this, but it's not showing us this option from here, okay? So this is how to copy a document with this printer. Likewise, copying using Epson Smart Panel copy feature, okay? Thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed. Thank you. This is how to copy a document. Thank you. Hey guys, I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. If you are new to this channel, and if you are, please consider subscribing. I will appreciate it. Thank you very much. This is Epson Workforce 2830, WF2830. This printer is multifunctional printer, is multitask, 4-in-1, in the sense you can copy, scan, print, and fax with this printer. I'm going to show you how to connect this printer, okay, to Wi-Fi network, and also connect it with your laptop or computer. To do this, first of all, we need to go to the settings, okay? So go to the settings, select side, use the side arrow to select Wi-Fi setup, select OK. Now you can see Wi-Fi recommended, select OK. Okay, you can print wireless from computer and device via Wi-Fi network, select OK. Okay, so now what we need to do is, you can see Wi-Fi setup wizard, select OK. Okay, so now it's searching for network, okay, and it found the network. So you scroll down and select the particular network, okay. So you picked up my office network, select OK. Now the next thing we need to do is we need to put the password. Just drinking water. Now we need to put the password. I have the information here. I do get question, where do you get the password? You get the password from the back of your router. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is to key in the password. Then we'll go ahead and connect this printer. So I'm going to put the password. If it asks you to put the capital letter, make sure you put the capital letter. So what I'm doing now is selecting the password. Okay. So you will see the key to put the password. If you want to select small letter, then you see A1 and number. Then you select on it. Keep changing it. Keep pressing on it to select it to capital or small letter. If you make any mistake, then you need to cancel. Use the cancels to select the correct number to change it. Okay, once you put the number finished, the next you go scroll down at the bottom and select OK. Okay, select OK. Okay, now setting up is the next. Okay, what it's doing now is setting up. Okay, so what it's telling us now is setting up, and if everything is okay, it will tell us setup complete, print report. Okay, so now select print report for us to see. If you select no print report, so it's going to print report. Now this is the report. Okay, network check pass. Okay, network is working correctly, and you can see network, everything is passed here. And also hey guys, I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. If you are new to this channel, and if you are, please consider subscribing. I will appreciate it. Thank you very much. This is Epson Workforce 2830 WF2830. This printer is multifunctional printer, is multitask, 4-in-1, in the sense you can copy, scan, print and fax with this printer. I'm going to show you how to connect this printer, okay, to Wi-Fi network, and also connect it with your laptop or computer. To do this, first of all, we need to go to the settings. Okay, so go to the settings, select side, use the side arrow to select Wi-Fi setup, select OK. Now you can see Wi-Fi recommended, select OK. Okay, you can print wireless from computer and device via Wi-Fi network, select OK. Okay, so now what we need to do is, you can see Wi-Fi setup wizard, select OK. Okay, so now it's searching for network. Okay, and it found the network, so you scroll down and select the particular network. Okay, so you picked up my office network, select OK. Now the next thing we need to do is we need to put the password. Just drinking water. Now we need to put the password. I have the information here. I do get question, where do you get the password? You get the password from the back of your router. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is to key in the password. Then we'll go ahead and connect this printer. So I'm going to put the password. If it asks you to put a capital letter, make sure you put the capital letter. So what I'm doing now is selecting the password. Okay. So you will see the key to put the password. If you want to select small letter, then you see A1 and number. Then you select on it. Keep changing it. Keep pressing on it to select it to capital or small letter. If you make any mistake, then you need to cancel. Use the cancels to select the correct number to change it. Okay, once you put the number finished, the next you go scroll down at the bottom and select OK. Okay, select OK. Okay, now setting up is the next. Okay, what it's doing now is setting up. Okay, so what it's telling us now is setting up, and if everything is okay, it will tell us setup complete, print report. Okay, so now select print report for us to see. If you select no print report, so it's going to print report. Now this is the report. Okay, network check pass. Okay, network is working correctly, and you can see network, everything is passed here, and also it will show you printer name, model name, okay, IP address, default gateway, and security. Okay, so the next you need to do, you need to download Epson Smart Panel app, okay, on your device. So go to Epson website and type your printer name, okay, and download the app. Okay, so now you can see driver utility combo package installer. Click it, open. So click it, open. Epson driver package setup. Click yes. Okay. Click yes. Click OK. Okay, so it's installing Epson driver package. Here we go. Okay, so now welcome to Epson software installer. Click accept. Okay, so install driver utility and Epson guide. Click install. Okay, Epson customer research participation, no. Okay, so now it's connecting to server via internet. Okay, now you can see it's progressing. So it's progressing. Downloading Epson driver may take several minutes. Now 72%, so it's progressing. 100%. It's progressing. Easy Epson driver and utility. So what it's doing now is installing Epson driver and utilities. So you get this from epson.com. %. 79%, so it's progressing. 95%, 100%. Okay, and click next, click next. Okay, select your connection method, wireless connection. Okay, click next. Add a printer to my existing network, click next. Your computer current network profile prevent device sharing. Okay, click next. Okay, so now as the printer is already on a wireless network, set up a add a printer already on a network. Okay, so this printer is already added on a network. Search for a printer. So what is doing now, printer was found. Okay, you can see, so the printer was found, so you need to click next to continue. Okay, so if it's the printer that is not on the network, then you need to for the first time, then you set up a printer for the first time. But if it's a printer already on the network, this printer is already connected to the network, so what we need to do is add a printer on there. Click next. Okay, so printer was found, so we select next, click next again. Okay, so now it's progressing. Okay, you can see network setup. So what it's doing now is setting up. Setup is in progressing. You can see the setup is in progress. And see the setup is progressing. So if it's a printer that is not on the network, then you select the one. Okay, now print test page. Okay, you can print a test page to verify that you are printer from the computer. Okay, so we select print test page. So print test page, here we go. So what is doing now is printing test page. Okay, so it's printing a test page. So the test page is what is printing. There we go. Congratulations, you have successfully installed your new Epson printer. Here are some of the tips for getting great print. Okay, so once you get to this point, it will tell you, congratulations, you have currently installed your new Epson printer.